Hey, it's Friday, the 15th. Look at this, May the 15th. Woo. All right, we're here. Let's check out what our warm out is. Warm up, warm out. I hope it's warm out, but we're gonna warm up right now, okay? So let's check this out. Another EMOM for our warm up today. EMOM, 6 minutes. Minute 1, 50 seconds, bike run, row, jumping jacks. That's 10 seconds is really for transition time into our second set, AMRAP, 6 med ball front squats, 6 med ball push presses to a target, okay? Don't worry so much about the target, okay? Don't worry so much about, the AMRAP, you may only be able to get 6 and 6 and 12 reps before we hit 50 seconds. If you can do more work, so if you can do 6-6 and keep going for the whole minute, that's a-okay. But let's just try and get 1 and 2 in there, 12 total reps here. So if you don't have a medicine ball, any sort of weight in the front position will work. If you only have dumbbells, I would do this with 1 dumbbell. So do your front squats with 1 dumbbell here, kind of goblet style, or hold it by the heads, and then your push presses right there in front of you. Okay, that would probably be the best substitution for medicine balls. All right, that way we're still doing getting some arm work in there, because really that front rack position with the medicine ball is a lot about our biceps and our deltoids. So we're going to try and simulate that as much as possible by using a dumbbell or a kettlebell in the front position. Okay. All right. So let's check out what our workout is today. All right. So we have 2 options this Friday for you. Okay. We'll have this partner workout right here, we're going to go through, and then there's a single option as well. We'll go through that next, okay? So let's check this out here. So in teams of 2, AMRAP 16 minutes, 6 wall balls, 6 jumping pull-ups, 6 sit-ups, okay? Now if you don't have these implements, wait for the next section. We're going to go over one that's a little easier done at home, but some of you have some of this equipment, so we're going to go over this here. All right, so partner 1 completes 2 rounds, while partner 2 bikes for max calories. If you don't have a bike, you could row or jog in place, okay? So you're just gonna you're gonna go through 2 rounds, 6 times 2, and then you switch, okay? And you're just gonna keep doing this until we hit the 16-minute mark, all right? So this is pretty good. Now, if you don't have a bike, like I said, any cardio movement, do run in place, jump rope, jog, do something, okay? Let's go through the single version. All right, so here is the 1-person version, okay? So we have AMRAP 16 again. We're gonna go 6 backpack thrusters, or dumbbell thrusters, or med ball thrusters, sandbag thrusters, whatever you got. Bicep curls, okay? So you're just gonna sit there and curl, all right? And then 6 sit-ups, and then a 1-minute run, okay? So you're gonna repeat this for 16 minutes. So this is gonna be a good arm burner. You're gonna feel the pump from this one, okay? So you can do the partner version, or you can do this single person version, whichever one works best for you, okay? So that's all we got for our Friday workout. Just stay tuned for movement demos, and we'll see you on Saturday.